In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Docusign account. Whether you're new to Docusign or just need a quick refresher, logging in is a simple process that allows you to access a wide range of electronic signature features and intelligent agreement management tools. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you feel comfortable using. Once your browser is open, navigate to the Docusign website. To do this, type www.docusign.com into the address bar and press enter. Once the home page loads, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see the Login button. This is your gateway into your account, so go ahead and click on it. Now you'll be taken to the Login page. You'll see two main fields, one for your email address and another for your password. Start by entering your email address carefully. Make sure this is the same email you used when creating your Docusign account. Next, move to the password field and type in your password. Be careful with capitalization, as passwords are case-sensitive. If you're unsure, you can use the Show Password option to verify what you've typed. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. Simply click on the Forgot Your Password link below the Login field. Follow the instructions sent to your email to reset it and regain access to your account. Once both your email and password are entered correctly, click the Login button. After a brief moment, Docusign will verify your credentials and redirect you to your account dashboard. Now that you're logged in, let's quickly explore what you can do next. On your dashboard, you'll find options to create new envelopes, send documents for signature, and track the status of agreements you've already sent. This is essentially your control center for managing all your documents. You can click on New or Start to begin sending a document for signature. From there, you'll upload your file, add recipients, and place signature fields where needed. Another important section is the Manage tab. This allows you to track documents that are waiting for signatures, completed agreements, or drafts that haven't been sent yet. If you're part of a team or organization, you may also have access to shared templates and workflows, making it even easier to send standardized documents quickly. Before we wrap up, here are a few quick tips. Always keep your login credentials secure and avoid sharing them with others. If you're using a public or shared computer, make sure to log out after you're done. This helps protect your documents and sensitive information. And that's it. You've successfully logged in and explored the basics of your Docusign account. With these steps, you're ready to start managing your documents efficiently and securely. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.